One makeup product that has the biggest chokehold on me, and I don't think people talk about it on TikTok. It's the Rosy Light Drops from Chanel. I may not have tested every foundation in the market, but I have tested almost every base routine product because that is my jam. And when I tell you this is truly the biggest game changer, it's got this like pearly rosy drop. Just a tiny bit goes a long way. You can put it all over your face, but what I like to do is kind of like right on my cheekbones as like the base product. And I'm telling you, once you put this on, this is going to make your highlighter pop. I'm gonna put a little bit more on the base, and let me show you, just this product alone will give you that ethereal, like glass skin glowy glow. I mean, you can just wear this on its own. Look at this insane glow. There's zero filter on this, by the way. Then I'm gonna use a tiny bit of skin tint on top of that. It's gonna help make it glide even better. Look, you can still see that glow underneath, and it just makes the skin tint look just insanely flawless. Look at this finish. And then this is another secret weapon that I have from Chanel. When I put this on, this is going to allow it to pop. When you have a good base, anything you put on, oh my God,